I'm going to show you what you need for the breaking surface social, park social. Things that you need to bring with you really are knocking tools. You're going to need 2 sets of forceps, long nose pliers, and if you've got some, wire cutters that'll cut thick gauge hooks. You need to get those. I'm going to show you how to make a trace. It's important these shop boat traces that you buy have a sliding middle hook. They're absolutely no good, those. The weight of the cast of your bait is going to be taken on that top hook, so it needs to be solid, otherwise it'll slide. Plus when striking home, that it slides, you're going to get lost fish. So I'm going to show you how to put one of these together pretty quickly. First of all, Fox Carbo Flex, best wire I've come across. Everybody does things differently. Take 18 inches to 24 inches. Then you're going to need crimps. The crimps with the Fox Carbo Flex come with it. They are quite expensive, but they're definitely worth having. So first of all, I'm going to put one together with what my favourite rigs are at the moment. I'm going to put a size 4 treble and a size 2 Drennan double. First of all, slide on your crimp. And slide on your hook. And simply push the wire through the crimp. Now this is the important bit. Push the wire back through the crimp as such, like that. So it's through and it forms a loop, so you've got a double one. Now if you've got some, these are much better than using normal pliers because of the way the pressure is. And it's simple crimp. I've done it a bit for you so you can see actually how it works. Now what I'd normally do, I put some rig tubing over the top or shrink wrap, but for these purposes it's not necessary. Then take your next hook, slide it down. Now what you want to achieve here, you want to set it to what size bait you're going to be using. So say I was using a 4 ounce, 6 ounce roach, I'll set it to what, about there. Take it down, loop, and then round like you're doing a knotless knot almost for carp fishing. Back up and through. As you can see there, that is not going to be moved. Take the weight of the cast and also you can set it on. And it's a simple, what I'd normally do then is add some more shrink tubing to the top. Then add another crimp. Put on your swivel for the top. Then same as you do with your bottom hook, through and back through. And then crimp. It's as simple as that. Obviously you tidy up the joints with some shrink tubing. That's as simple as you want. You need that length so you don't get bite-offs when the pike, if it's led funny. Now what you need as well, you need ledger stems or straightforward running rigs. I'd say probably 75 to 80% of all pike fishing is done like that. If you want to try something else, get yourself some pike floats, normal pike float, get some really big fluorescent beads, so when you put your stop knot in you can see where it's set, the beads will stand up, otherwise you never know, because you'd be fishing over depth usually with floats, so slightly over depth. This type of float I'll use for drifter fishing. Okay, hope to see you there. Right.